I'm gonna go ahead and open up this fragile eBay box, and yeah, let's go ahead and turn it to where our addresses are no longer being filmed. Alright, so let's go ahead and throw a little time lapse in. You got these. I heard you could eat these. I don't know if I want to eat it. I saw rice or Miata. I don't know if you guys watch Ooh, I heard they taste like Cheetos. You can like literally eat them. But yeah, rice or Miata. I used to watch Haggard Garage. That is why I started this YouTube channel, by the way, you guys. If you guys like Haggard Garage. And if you guys can tell, I'm a little influenced by Haggard. I don't know, my car is Haggard. But Mr. Rudnick, I'm going to try this because of you. All right, here it goes. I don't think these are the ones you're supposed to eat. They just disappear. I don't like it. I don't like it. They said it tastes like Cheetos. They said it tastes like Cheetos, but it's like plastic. It's weird how it does dissolve though. I don't want to eat another. I don't know why I was thinking that. But we got some of these here. So yeah, pull it out ever so slightly. No, this is kind of fragile. We're gonna take our time and unwrap it. And thanks to my dad, he's a really good man and just supports me. He actually got my laptop for me. So the fact that he got this is actually like nicer than the lid that I have now. Like, this is crazy. So it's got this little ribbon cable here, it looks like. Another one. And then these two guys. That really doesn't seem too difficult. What the heck is going on, you guys? I just realized that you probably like it when I am really freaking crazy. So sometimes I might be like, yo, what's going on, you guys? But other times when I'm freaking crazy, I'm crazy. It's who I am, you guys. This is what I do. I have ups and downs, and you guys can follow along. And you guys can live your vision along with me. I'm gonna go ahead and try to put some of these on some of these cars tonight. I got the Pavilions car meet going on tonight. I wanna try to talk really, really fast like all the other YouTubers. And anyways, we gotta pick up Johnny. And it is 7. I just am now finishing up this vlog, watching a little more skids. Because yes, honestly, drifting is everything to me. You guys like the lighting in here? I can change it too if you want. Like, boom, bop. Boom, look at this. I fixed my LED behind here too. Look at that. My TV is changing freaking colors. This little clip right here is even lit itself. You know, I just gotta turn on the camera and, you know, cool things can happen. But you guys are probably clicked on this video for some other reason. My man don't even know why. My man don't even know why. My heart just won't end. Anyways, that was insane. I really appreciate that if you hit that like button because I just belched a bunch for you guys and I'm exposing myself on the tubes. So let's continue this energy when I go pick up Johnny. Hopefully we're not too late because it is 7 and the meet kind of rolls up around like 9. People start dipping like at the latest then, so it's not too terrible, but I gotta leave. It is 7 now. I was supposed to meet him at 7. But yeah, I'm gonna go to grab the E30. We're gonna drive the E30, but it really needs gas. LYV gang shit, you know what I'm saying? Clap you guys some merch, some clothing. I'm not calling it merch because it's gonna be a collection. You know, we are really out here with some LYV stuff. And we're going all in. See you guys in a sec. Doo-doo-doo. I've got all kinds of those business cards up there, which I probably should fix when I get there. But yeah, it's pretty dark. Let's turn on some lighting. There's my little gold star bind. I should make another one of these, huh? Maybe I should show you guys how I make those on the vlog. Yo, so my gas is all filled up, as you can see here. We have a full tank. No, I'm just kidding, my gas gauge doesn't work. I didn't know if you guys didn't know that or not. But yeah, shout out to my dad for getting me gas so we can go do all this good stuff. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I will slow down here. My hand will start shaking. Because I gotta get, one of my wheels is bent. There it is. Look at my fingers. Anyways, you guys get the point. But 80 was real smooth, so I know it's a wheel balance because it starts at 50 to 80, which is a big gap. But I mean, if you have a bent wheel, it kind of makes sense. Ironically, my mom just called me telling me, where are you at? And I was like, I just told you. I told her I was going to the pavilion's car meet. Apparently she's there. That would have been a fun vlog if she would have coordinated with me. I mean, I guess she was trying to surprise me or whatever, but shout out to you, Mom. But yeah, I still have to, I'm gonna be there in like 20 minutes. I have to pick up Johnny. My mom is kind of dope because she's letting me know that the meet's ending early. So I'm saving my gas and everything, and I'm not super happy. I mean, I love going to the pavilion's meet, but I do believe Johnny and I are going to a car show tomorrow. So that's incredibly exciting. But yeah, shout out to my mom for doing that. Like, that would have been a surprise, having her just randomly show up there while my car was there. But yeah, everything happens for a reason. She's gonna get a couple clips. Not sure how those are gonna turn out. They're my mom, but she is, if she does get some cool, nice clips, go ahead and leave a like on this video, because shout out to all the moms out there. Like, that's super dope of her to do that, you know. You gotta let him know I'm here. Maybe I should give it some revs. But I'm actually not. He's probably gonna come out running ready to go. But yeah, I'm not. So let's see if we can get up this driveway. This is gonna be intense. I'm gonna throw the camera outside because getting up driveways is kind of a pain in lowered cars. Oh my gosh, I'm so zoomed in. Was that ah! Oh my god, you scared me, bro. You actually scared me.
Cause you get scared all the time.
I do. Oh my goodness. I just realized I zoomed in. I hope you guys probably even couldn't even see the oh whoa. Yo, I figured I'd get some driving clips since I took the wrong exit or whatever, so here it goes. Backfire. I don't know what that's behind me, but looks like a car with lights. Got some police officers over there. But yeah, I have to go a completely dumb way now. Look at this. Boom. I had to do this the other night too because there's this ramp that's closed. I'm not sure if that focused or not, so I'm gonna redo it. Yeah, see, it's having me turn around. It's pretty stupid. But yeah, I shouldn't film and drive, but I just thought I'd let you know. Something to check out on the vlog here, huh? Maybe something you guys might likey. Maybe, I don't know. You guys let me know. Well, you guys like Vipers? Let me know down in the comments. I better see a freaking comment down there. I don't know how I feel about Vipers. There's also a Lancer over there in case you guys were wondering. Just figured that I could make a vlog pretty much anywhere. Look at my hair, it is pretty freaking crazy. Since today didn't really work out, I find it interesting that my mom ended up going to the meet without me, which is pretty fun. Yeah, like I said, shout out to her for getting those little clips. That's pretty, not many moms could like get like cool little clips like that, you know, and then actually surprise me and try to be in the vlog and stuff like that's dope. But like, stay tuned next week because she did mention she wants to be in the vlog and we actually came up with priorities. I would definitely get another dirt bike. Let me know if you guys are down for dirt bike content too in the comments. I'm just gonna keep saying that until I get some comments. Or even if I had a bunch of comments, I would probably still be saying this because like my mentality towards YouTube has changed a lot, and I know that like interacting with you guys is key. So if you've watched this far, make an account or something on YouTube. I want that comment ratio, view ratio good up in there. I'm putting in work all day, every day. So yeah, like I said, daily motherfucking vlogs. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you have not, I just gotta say it like at least once in every video, so please give me a break. But yeah, go ahead and check out that time there. That's pretty crazy. I'm still recording. I was supposed to upload today, but just know, ooh, I'm playing a little baby catch up. It's okay, you guys. Just, you know, just give your boy a break. It's all good. Just cause I'm not posted yet. I have the vlog. It's all edited. You guys maybe saw. I don't know. I don't know. I'm reassuring myself. We out. I'm a daily vlogger now, bitches. I don't know. I think I might want to take a little picture before I wrap it up. For real, for real. Is this a good one or something? I don't know.